In this video, I will talk about my exact method that I'm using to promote my affiliate links on YouTube and how you can do the same. And here you can see some of my payment proof that I earned by doing the same thing that I want to show you in this video. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. And here some of my live proof. So you can see this is not a screenshot. This is the dashboard of the affiliate product that I'm promoting. You can see I will refresh my page. So here you can see this is the live proof. So I make this money, and in this video I will show you the exact method that I use to earn this type of affiliate commission. So make sure to watch the full video till the end and don't skip anything. So right now I'm assuming that you already have a product to promote, but you are not sure that how you can promote that product on YouTube. So first of all, I will tell you that which product I'm promoting right now. And right now I'm promoting a product that can help people to start their affiliate marketing business. And the course that I'm promoting is called Legendary Marketer. So if you don't know what Legendary Marketer is, then Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer because of the two main reasons. First is Legendary Marketer gives people great online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. And the second thing is Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself, because Legendary Marketer have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses to your audience. And when someone decides to purchase, then as an affiliate you can get $1,000 per sale without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So this is the two main reason right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. And they also have a 15-day business builder challenge. So inside that challenge, they will show you how you can start your affiliate marketing business in just 15 days. And the cool thing about this challenge is once you start this challenge, then you will get your one-on-one business plan advisor that will help you to build your customized business. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this challenge. So if you want to learn more about this challenge, then check the link in the description below. So now the question is, how I'm promoting Legendary Marketer on YouTube. So here you can see this is my YouTube channel that you are watching right now. You can see right now I only have a 566 subscribers and I already created 312 videos. And you can see here I'm creating a consistent videos about affiliate marketing, and I teach people how they can start affiliate marketing through different strategies. So right now I will show you one of my YouTube video as an example and show you the exact strategy that I'm using to promote Legendary Marketer on YouTube. And the method which I'm going to show you in this video will work on any product and any niche. So here one of my YouTube video that says how I went from $0 to $3,000 per month affiliate marketing tutorial 2023 proof inside. So in this video I show my audience my exact strategy that I'm using to go from $0 to $3,000 per month in my affiliate marketing business. So as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer teaches people affiliate marketing. So I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing and they want to start their affiliate marketing business, but they don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way. So that's why I'm creating this type of video on my YouTube channel, and I teach people how they can start their affiliate marketing business by using different strategies. And inside this video, I give my audience exact steps that I'm using right now to go from $0 to $3,000 per month in my affiliate marketing business. And inside my video, I give my audience a call to action that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. So right now I'm giving away my free affiliate marketing case study to my audience, because I know that if my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study. And inside this case study, I show my audience everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business with step-by-step instructions. So if someone wants to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then they go to my video description and here I write my free affiliate marketing case study. So when someone click here in this link, then they come to this page. So inside this page, I write free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping, without any experience creating products, carrying inventory or dealing with customers. So if someone wants to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then they will click here. And here I write enter your best email below to receive free case study. So when someone give me their name and email address and click here, then they go to the second page of my funnel, which is also called the bridge page. And inside this page, I have a small video. So at the beginning of this video, I told my audience that how they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And later in this video, I talk about the affiliate product which I'm promoting. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. At the end of this video, I told my audience that if you want to start your affiliate marketing business in just 15 days, then start a 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer. And if you want to learn more about this challenge, then click here in this button. So when someone click here, then they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And here I have a small presentation from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah. And inside this presentation, they will explain everything that my audience will get once they start the 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer. And when someone wants to get instant access of the 15-day challenge, then they will click here and they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And once they purchase a 15-day business builder challenge for $7, then I will get a little $2 commission. So this is the simple 2-page funnel that I'm using to convert my visitors into leads. So right now, if you are promoting a different product in a different niche, then no worries, because you need to do the same thing to promote any product in any niche. So for example, right now you are in a health niche and right now you are promoting a product that can help your audience to lose their weight. So you need to create a video on YouTube that shows people the different way that they can lose their weight. And at the end of your YouTube video, you can give your audience a call to action that if you want to know my #1 recommended way to lose your weight, then check the link in the description below. And once your audience go to your video description, then you can build a simple landing page like this and capture their name and email address and then forward them into your affiliate partner's offer. And when they purchase, then you will get a commission. So right now in my case, in my landing page, I already capture people's name and email address. So I will follow up with them with email automation sequence and talk about Legendary Marketer over and over again. So eventually they purchase and I will get a commission. So right now I will show you my actual email automation sequence and show you that what you need to do inside your email automation sequence to increase your conversion rate. So this is the software that I'm using to create all of my funnel and my email automation sequence. And this software is 100% free until you have a 2000 people inside your email list. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this software, because even in a free plan, you will get access of all the tools which is required. So if you want to get instant access of this free software, then check the link in the description below and create a free account today. So now I will show you my actual email automation sequence. So once I go to email and click on campaign, then here you can see I have a lots of pre-written emails. So when someone give me their name and email address inside this page, then they will get a 31 pre-written emails. And the main purpose of my email automation sequence is to remove people's objection, provide them additional training, and show them other people's social proof. So as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, but my email audience have a confusion that Legendary Marketer is legit or not, and Legendary Marketer will actually help me to make money online as an affiliate marketer or not. So my job as an affiliate marketer to remove all of their potential objection, and once I do that, then they will definitely purchase Legendary Marketer through my link and I will get a commission. So right now I will show you some of my email and show you that which type of email that I write to remove people's objection about Legendary Marketer. So here you can see inside my first email, I write here is the free case study that you requested. So when someone open this email, then inside this email, I write affiliate marketing case study. So when someone click here in this link, then they directly go to this page. So inside this page, they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So I created a 40-minute long case study, and inside this case study, I show my audience everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commission. So right now, if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So if you want to get instant access, then check the link in the description below. And here inside my second email, I write, let us introduce ourselves, pics inside. So when someone open this email, then inside this email, I talk about our story. I told my audience that how we came from India to New Zealand as a migrant, and right now we are making very good money by doing affiliate marketing. And at the end of my email, I have one link which says sign up with Legendary Marketer. So when someone click here, then they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they watch the free presentation and purchase the 15-day business builder challenge, then I will get a commission. So by using this email, I told my story to my audience, because I know that if my audience know my story, then they can easily trust me. And once they trust me, then they will purchase a product that I am promoting. So now I will show you one more email. So here you can see, here I write, is Legendary Marketer legit? So when someone open this email, then inside this email, I talk about the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah. So Dev Shah featured in a Forbes and Entrepreneur magazine. And these two magazines are very popular magazine all around the world. So if Dev Shah got a chance to feature inside this magazine, then definitely Legendary Marketer is a legit. And here at the end of the email, I have one link which says Legendary Marketer. So when someone click here, then again they go to the sales page of legendary marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So by using this email, I told my audience that if you are interested in affiliate marketing, then start with legendary marketer because legendary marketer is a legit course. So now I will show you one more email. So you can see here I write proof affiliate marketing works. So when someone open this email, then inside this email, I write best strategy for beginners. And when someone click here in this button, then they directly go to this page. So inside this page, I have a lots of reviews of other people about legendary marketer. So I took this screenshot from the Facebook group of legendary marketer. So you can see here, this guy write, I made my first ever commission. So people are earning their first commission by taking the training from legendary marketer. You can see here, this girl says, the only direction is up, celebrating my first commission with LM means legendary marketer. So the people who took the training from legendary marketer, they are earning their first commission ever. You can see here, this guy earns $1,050 in just one day by promoting legendary marketer. So as I told you before, legendary marketer also have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. Because legendary marketer have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses to your audience. And when someone decide to purchase, then you can get up to $1,000 per sale without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So this guy is promoting legendary marketer and he made $1,050 from just one day. So by showing other people social proof, I told my audience that if you also want to start with high ticket affiliate marketing, then click here. And when they click here, then again they go to the sales page of legendary marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So by using this email, I show other people social proof to my audience, and I show them if they can do it, then you can also do it. And if you want to start, then start with legendary marketer. So now I will show you one last email. So here you can see, here I write interview, how Harshil got success with affiliate marketing. So when someone open this email, then inside this email, I write click here to watch Harshil's amazing interview with Dev Sharp. So when someone click here in this link, then they come to this page. So inside this page, I have an interview with the creator of legendary marketer, Dev Sharp. So when I was a beginner affiliate marketer, I don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way. And once I start with a 15-day business pillar challenge, and then I learn everything that they teach me inside the challenge. And right now, I'm making a very good money by doing affiliate marketing. So that's why the creator of legendary marketer, Dev Sharp, he took my interview. And inside this interview, I told my story that how I started with legendary marketer and it changed my life. So I told my audience that if you also want to start with legendary marketer, then click here in this button. And when someone click here, then again they go to the sales page of legendary marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So I think you already got my point. The main purpose of your email automation sequence is to remove all of the potential objection of your audience about the product that you are promoting. And once you do this, then they will definitely purchase a product through your link and you will get a commission. So this is the exact method that I use to earn this type of commission. And if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, because inside this case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business. So if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. And now, if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.